Thanks for tuning in. If today is your first time of stopping by my video, you're especially welcome. This is Mother T Kitchen. To my returning viewers, thanks for always engaging in my videos. Make breakfast with me. To start, in a pan, added coconut oil, saute some onion, added green and yellow bell peppers. Frying the peppers like this will help release nice flavor which we'll be needing for our recipe. To make the breakfast richer, I added carrots. Go ahead and fry this in a low heat. Breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Thereby, eating healthy breakfast can help improve your mood. Eating a good breakfast keeps one alert and productive all through the day. This is dry pepper, salt to taste. Ensure that the ingredient is incorporated very well. Then fry for 2 minutes in a low heat. Take off heat. Making your day a great one all begins with a good breakfast. To go further in this recipe, this time around add the vegetable oil in the pan, crack 2 eggs, whisk this, pour it in the pan, fry this for 2 minutes in a low heat. Drop the city and country you're watching from in the comment section. I will send you special greetings in my next video. For the dough, I use a pinch of salt, half teaspoon of sugar and little vegetable oil. Bell peppers are good to be eaten every day in a moderation. It is good to be eaten by everyone except those that are allergic to it. Bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, fiber and iron. They add colors to your meal, tasty and add flavor as well. What is your favorite breakfast and why? This is one of my favorite because I love the color combination. I love everything about this recipe. It is well balanced. Thanks for watching to the end. See you in my next video. Bye.